students, I am Santosh sir. Again I am going to discuss about the next topic, transport of material across cells. So you can see in these slides transport of the material across the cells. It is divided into three groups. First is passive transport, second is active transport, third one is the bulk transport. You can see passive, active and bulk transport. And further, passive transport is again divided into three groups: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis. And osmosis again divided into two groups: endosmosis and exosmosis. Now you can see here bulk transport is divided into three groups: pinocytosis, endocytosis and exocytosis. You can see these three groups. And again you can see endocytosis is divided into three groups: phagocytosis, podocytosis and receptor mediated endocytosis. Now we will discuss about these all points one by one. Passive transport means how do the materials come inside the cell and how do the materials go outside of the cell. Passive transport. Passive transport you can see here. First one, passive transport. It is a kind of the diffusion in which an ion or molecules crossing the cell membrane moves against its electrochemical or concentration gradient. So in this transport, it is a kind of diffusion in which ion or molecules crossing the cell membrane moves against its electrochemical or concentration gradient. Second is a simple diffusion. Simple diffusion, you can see here simple diffusion. Simple diffusion because passive transport is divided into three categories: simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion and osmosis. So simple diffusion means molecule or gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide enter the cell without the help of the transport protein such as permeases. So in this diffusion, molecules of the gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, O2 and CO2 enter the cell without the help of the transport protein. That protein is known as permeases. Which protein? Permeases. Now we will see here third, facilitated diffusion. Ions or molecules cross the membrane rapidly by using the specific protein. Or the transport protein or permeases. That protein name is the permeases which are present in the membrane. So we can see in the simple diffusion, what is the difference between the simple diffusion and facilitated diffusion? In the simple diffusion, gases enter the cell without the help of the protein, but in the facilitated diffusion, ions or molecules enter the cell with the help of the protein, transport protein, that is known as permeases, which is present in the membrane. So you should know these all points in your mind. And what is osmosis? Osmosis, the spontaneous process of water molecule from region of higher water concentration to low water concentration through selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. This is very important point you should keep in mind. Okay, so the process of the water molecule from the region of the higher concentration to the lower water concentration through the selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. The process by which water molecule enter a cell is called endosmosis.